Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. The 5 best natural cleaners available in your home. Looking after the environment is a practice that begins in your own home. Anything from odor eliminator to dangerous chemical-based cleaning solutions can have an effect on the planet's ecosystem, which is why you need to start using safer all-natural products. There are numerous methods to make environmentally friendly options easy for cleaning your home. In this video are some all-natural options you can use to clean your home as an alternative to dangerous chemical-based products. Number 1. Window cleaner. Several glass cleaners incorporate ammonia, which could produce dangerous gases if combined with chlorine. Vinegar and water can clean oily surfaces without the need for these kinds of dangerous chemicals. All you need to do is make a mixture of 1 part vinegar and 4 parts water. Put this blend into a spray bottle and use it to clean surfaces such as glass or home appliances without leaving behind spots or blotches. Number 2. Disinfectants. Use citrus fruit juice to sterilize areas while leaving behind a refreshing aroma. Put a couple of pieces of lemon or lime into your garbage disposal to help make your kitchen sink smell nice and clean. You can also use lemon juice to get rid of tough laundry stains. Number 3. Air freshener. Use baking soda along with natural oils rather than aerosols to make the air in your house smell fresh. Simply open a box of baking soda and put it in your fridge or the base of your garbage can. Put citrus juice or herbs like lavender into boiling water before visitors come over to make the entire home smell fresh. This smell will be better than any artificial product available. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 4. Carpet cleaner. One should stay away from spray-on products that consist of eye and skin irritating chemicals. Use cornstarch or baking soda solution. Vacuum your rug, scatter cornstarch or baking soda directly onto it to eliminate smells. Keep the powder on for approximately 1 hour and then vacuum once more. Treat carpet stains with warm soapy water, vinegar, and a brush. Number 5. Furniture polish. Rather than use chemical-based polishing cans, use natural extracts and oils. Combine 1 cup of vegetable oil with 1 teaspoon of lemon oil and use it to clean and shine your furnishings. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the remarkable tips to keep your house clean every day. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.